Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. So in this video we'll be talking about 7 major important changes and updates in 2023. I'm actually talking about the type of changes and updates that affect your experience while advertising on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to know is that in January 2023, Facebook actually released the self-serve ad terms. So that's the first thing, that is the major change that you really need to know about. You really need to study before you start running ads or while you are running ads. But let me just say this from my own experience and my own experience studying the old terms and everything. I discovered that the self-serve ad terms had been for a while. One thing there is that before they actually rolled it out, they've been putting this banner on all our ads manager that we're going to release the self-serve ad terms on January 2023. But before they released it, everything that they were saying that I saw in the policy were things that were already happening before. So but then you really need to go and study it, because it's going to answer a lot of questions that you have about why you are running ads and Facebook is still billing you for an ad that you have posted a long while ago, or maybe why you've posted an ad a long while ago and then you are still seeing some results coming from an ad that had stopped running. But there you have it. That's the first thing you really need to know. Go and study the self-serve ad terms of January 2023. The second change that I feel makes a lot of sense is the fact that they just rolled in check marks on the stages of your ad setup. So when you are trying to run ads now on Facebook, you'll be seeing check marks, particularly when you are trying to duplicate an existing campaign. You will see check mark on the campaign level, check marks on the ad set level. It makes a lot of sense. It's a little bit of a very, very minor thing, but it gives this sense of confidence that what you are doing is right. When you see a red cancel sign, you're like, oh my god, what did I do wrong? But then this green check marks actually gives that confidence, and I like the idea. The third thing is that Facebook now has this kind of leaning towards trying to get more people to use WhatsApp business lines if they are going to be running ads to WhatsApp from Facebook. Now it is not as if when you want to run ads on Facebook you cannot run ads to your WhatsApp number, but the thing is, in most cases Facebook might not allow your ad to run if it's not a WhatsApp business line. So, and even when it's not a WhatsApp business line and you can actually run the ad, Facebook might clamp down on your targeting and try to enforce advantage targeting, which I really don't recommend, particularly when you know the kind of audience that you want to target. So what I can advise is that if you have more than one WhatsApp number for more than one businesses, try to make each of those WhatsApp numbers business numbers. If you have a problem with the fact that you are using only one device, what you can do is you can decide to use an application that duplicates your WhatsApp business, and then you create different WhatsApp businesses on your mobile device, and that way you can actually have multiple WhatsApp business numbers for the different pages that you have, and then you'll be able to run more effective ads because it's a WhatsApp business line and you're not going to have this enforced advantage targeting. So that's the third thing that you should actually take note of. It's really something that you should make changes and work towards. So the fourth thing is actually that Facebook now has a very organized Facebook profile. I really like this. In the past, if you want to change your username, you have to go to your Facebook accounts settings to change your username. Now this doesn't really appeal to your ad account manager itself. This is more of your Facebook account, but it really matters because this is your Facebook account you are using to run ads. Okay, so I like the idea that they now moved everything to account center. So now it's very neat, it's more organized. You can easily change your username, change your name, your email address, and find all the personal details about you in one organized place. Before it was very disorganized, everything was all in the settings and you had to look for it, but now they moved everything to the account settings. That makes a lot of sense and I like the neatness behind it. So the fifth thing is that I believe you should be aware that Facebook actually decided to move into verified profile. They decided to make it public so anybody can get their account verified just by paying a monthly fee. Now actually it came into the equation when Elon Musk decided to move Twitter verified to the public also, or to everybody using Twitter, and then Mark Zuckerberg also followed suit and we added on Facebook. But it's really a good idea, but then I would just say that what Facebook is trying to do is they are trying to make money from a problem that they have on their platform. And the problem is that Facebook is very ruthless with the way they ban accounts and restrict people's accounts. So really what you are paying for is the service, the unique service of having one-on-one customer support to attend to you when you have that problem. But let me just add this in case you are not aware. If you have a business account, when you go to your business account quality, you can find the support section and have a conversation with somebody from Facebook depending on the problem that you're having. But let me just be truthful, in most cases they will not do you any favor. They will probably even restrict your account. So I guess paying for the verified profile, paying to get your profile verified, is going to do you a service in that regard. You get personalized one-on-one support that can attend to your problem, attend to you when you have the problem of getting your account banned, hacked, or restricted. So that's one thing to actually consider. So I don't know if I should give them a kudos, or I don't even know, but then it is good where it is good. What I can just say is that you might have to pay for the Facebook verified exactly the time when you got restricted or you got banned, if that might work for you if you are trying to save cost. So let's move forward. The sixth thing rather is that Facebook now has this trend. They place this emphasis on video reels, video ads. So I mean, they place this emphasis on videos actually, and it's because there was this time, it's not actually new. There was this time TikTok was putting a lot of competition out there for social media platforms that were already existing. TikTok had a very strong algorithm that was very, very, very addictive. So to keep up, Facebook had to start pushing videos. So this is something you should take advantage of in 2023. This simply means that right now you can run video ads that will give you a lot of views for your videos at a ridiculously cheap price. So I've run video ads on Facebook and I can tell you it's very cheap. But then it's not only about getting views. Views are not enough. What you need is sale or leads. So you need to know the right strategy to use when you are running video ads, so that at the end point what you get is actually sale. The seventh thing I want to talk about is that there is now this emphasis on pixel, 500 pixel for your videos. So as much as you want to try to start pushing video with Facebook, make sure to bear in mind that when you want to record your videos, record it with a good device, so that you don't have a video that is below 500 pixel. Because if the video is below 500 pixel, what is happening now is that Facebook will not want that video to run on Instagram and many other placements. You might only be able to run that video on your Facebook feed, which is a very, very limited placement, even though it has a lot of potentials. The only work around it is if the video is already existing on your Instagram profile and you are now boosting the video as a post. But that being said, I would advise you to try to make more quality videos, record your videos on a better device, and then you should get better results. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I remain Adewale and this is Coach Tadeo. Thanks for watching.